Today I'm excited. I just got my most recent order from Crowdcow. If you're not familiar with Crowdcow, they are a mail order meat. Their main thing is meat delivery service. They do offer a $50 off referral bonus. I have an affiliate link in the description of this video if you see anything you're interested in and want to try them out. Now, besides just steaks, come with a wide variety of other items. So let's take a look at the steaks first. We have beef tenderloin steaks, or your filet mignon. Those are my favorite. I just went a little crazy and ordered a few different things that I like and use a lot. Some more tenderloins. This box cost me, I think, right around $145. We got beef top sirloin steaks. You can tell they're still nice and solidly frozen. Something I use all the time. We got some uncured bacon. Now, one of the other cool things about Crowdcow is that they actually tell you where your steaks come from. So this is a strip loin, but it tells you that it came from Royal Ranch, Columbia raised beef. So say from, is that Columbia, Canada? Oh, manufactured Seattle, Washington. So you can pick your different farms or ranches if you want meat that's grass fed from a certain area. Something I didn't order today, but I do order them. I have ordered for them in the past. Is they offer Japanese grade A or 5A Wagyu steak. That is a nice treat. It comes nicely frozen, and you get to pick which farms. It gives you like a history of the farm, all kinds of cool stuff when you get on their website. Like I said, there will be a affiliate link in the description that'll get you on the website. They'll let you pick out your main box, and you can go shopping for all kinds of crazy stuff. Let's keep going. Another top sirloin steak. Another one of these beef strip loin steaks from Royal Ranch. They also sell fish. This is sockeye salmon, product of the USA. So we're going to grill that up. Stick around at the end of the video. We'll probably cook some steaks, and you can see how it looks when it comes all cooked up. Probably going to go with these fillets, but can't guarantee you. I'm not cooking until this stuff thaws out. Also, they sell poultry products. So we have a Farmer's Focus organic free-range chicken. I'm guessing we're going to make a beer can chicken out of that. That's what I usually do with these guys. But like I said, still frozen like a rock. This one is 3.5 pounds. What is this? Beef top sirloin steak, juicy and delicious, from Creekstone Farms. Doesn't say where Creekstone Farms is, but I'm sure if we Google it, we'll find out. Now, Crowdcow also will send you pre-made meals. They must have been having a special because I'm not quite sure why I picked these out, but this one looked delicious. Cheese curd lasagna with meat sauce from Beecher's. I don't know if you can get that in the regular grocery store, but I saw it on the Crowdcow website. Was totally excited. We got roasted potatoes in flagship sauce. Basically the world's best mac and cheese, but made with potatoes. You're gonna love it. All right, we'll heat those up and I'll tell you if I love it or not. And next we got ground Wagyu beef. We got two different ground beefs. This one is from Mishima Farms. I'm pretty sure I've had their Wagyu steaks before, so I saw it on their website and figured we'd try some Wagyu burgers. And then Mishima Reserve American Wagyu beef. So I guess these are both American Wagyu. I'm not sure. It is the same thing, just different packaging. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and cook up some of this stuff from Crowdcow and see how it comes out. So stay tuned. Catch us in the kitchen. All right, so let's get the grilling. First thing we're gonna try is this Crowdcow bacon. We're gonna put it on the blackstone. We're gonna make some cheeseburgers in a little bit, and this bacon's gonna be one of our toppings. So we're gonna go ahead and get this down. If I can pull it apart, these strips look a little bit fatty, but that's good when you're going for a nice classic juicy cheeseburger. So we're gonna get the bacon down. Let's see how it goes ahead and cooks up. So it's going. You can hear it sizzling away on the griddle. Just gonna have to go ahead and give it a little flip here. It's starting to brown a little bit. Yep, there we go. Grill's working, cooking the bacon. You get all these strips flipped. Being a little difficult there. Yep, need a little more practice with flipping the bacon. So it looks pretty good. It's browning up nicely. It's got a nice fat to meat ratio. So I think it's going to be pretty good bacon. Alright, we got our bacon done. Let's go ahead and get it off the griddle. Just let it dry off on this paper towel here. And there we go. There we have it. There's our bacon. Now let's go ahead and put it on a cheeseburger. How's that cheeseburger taste with that crispy bacon on it from Crowdcow? Yep, looking delicious. Next thing we're going to do is one of our fillets from Crowdcow. We're going to try to do a reverse sear, so we're going to go ahead and put in the Traeger Pellet smoker first. It's going to need about 30 minutes, so better find something to do while you're waiting for that. Enjoy a cold beverage. Maybe if you don't like cold beverages, you can find something else to do.
Nope.
Yeah, that wasn't a bad idea. Alright, it's been about 40 minutes. Let's go ahead and take the steaks off the smoker. We're going to go ahead and put them on the blackstone and try to get a nice sear on them. Yeah, the grill's nice and hot, so should be coming out pretty good. Alright, so here we go. Here is our seared filet from Crowdcow. Go ahead and give it a little flip. There's a little crisp on it.
Do it again.
Yeah, just gonna let this sit there for a couple minutes on each side. Looking pretty good. Hopefully it comes out medium rare, but I'm guessing the smoker's gonna cook it a little bit longer in the inside. But let's go ahead and give it a try. Alright, first cutting into the steak, it is nice and tender. Fillets are usually tender, but this one seems pretty good. The meat quality seems pretty decent. I'd say I'd buy this steak again. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Alright. Yep. There we go. Gotta say, it is delicious. Subscribe.